In a world where you're always connected, shouldn't your product lifecycle management be too? Autodesk PLM brings you data and process management in the cloud. Instant on and anytime, anywhere access from a browser or mobile device. An intuitive user experience makes it easy for everyone to adopt. And with plugins for the most widely used CAD systems, teams can use Autodesk PLM with their design tools of choice. This gives you the benefit of faster collaboration across your organization and supply chain, regardless of who's using what. Autodesk PLM is a central source of truth, managing all your data and processes. And with its open API, it integrates easily with other business systems such as ERP and CRM, so you can do even more with your data. Autodesk PLM also helps you standardize business workflows. It comes with core PLM apps and dozens of specialized processes at no extra cost. And rather than starting from scratch, they have out-of-the-box workflows that you simply tailor to your business needs. A simple change of category here, another change here, and you're all set. Now you can better improve your new product development process. Better manage change orders, bill of materials, supplier collaboration, and product quality. Start with one process at a time and easily expand as you need. We give you the flexibility to start today and grow tomorrow with PLM that scales with your business. Our convenient subscription model allows you to add users as you need, and they can access the complete set of PLM capabilities without hidden costs. And with our growing network of Autodesk partners around the globe, there are experts ready to help you get the most out of PLM. Realize the benefits of connected people, processes, and data, and spend more time reaching your business goals with Autodesk PLM.